Afternoon, folks. It's the 7th of February 2023, and yes, I'm down the beaches field again on the border of Madeley and Ironbridge here in Telford. I've just bought a new second-hand camcorder because I was a stupid person and dropped my other one last week. So I saw this advertised on Facebook Marketplace. Excuse me. And it was the upgraded version of the one I had before, and it come with a lot of accessories, you know, different things. So oh, look at him, he's just been to the toilet. Fancy doing that on camera, Bench? Right, I'll leave you with a look at the pool while I go and clean up after him. Right, I'm back, folks. Now look, I've cleaned up after him. Don't know if you can see over there or whether the sun's too bright, but you can see there's a couple of the moor ends over the far side. Show you around. There's the horses over there. Afternoon. Oh, wrong way. Try not to go in the pond. And there he is, look. There. Bless him. Right. I think the moor ends have got a nest in the bushes over there. So basically today is all about testing this new second-hand camera out. Right, I'm going to move round so the sun's not in my face. Come on, Bench. And I'm trying this with the external microphone on it. see what it's like. Just missed the pheasant then flying off, female pheasant. Right. Let's put you down here somewhere. Typical. I've moved over this side and the birds have gone back over the other side. Come on, Bench. Benji. Come on. Here. This way. Good lad. Right, okay, folks. Here he is, look. There he is. Okay then, folks, I'm going to leave it at that, and I'll catch you again soon. Bye for now.